Okay, so here I'm just putting a little bit of concealer under my brows, just lining them up. That's typically the first step for me, honestly. I use LA Girl Pro Concealer for my brows and most of my concealer routine as far as highlighting. I just do little highlights, just cleaning up everything. Then I typically just go to put a little bit in the corner of my eyes to help with my under eye bags, even though they're still there. It just helps me look a little bit more alive. And now it's time for blending. Y'all, this is my least favorite part, even though it looks like I'm having a lot of fun. I just kind of have to give myself a little energy to get through it. But yeah, blend, blend, blend. I use the tip of my beauty blender. I'm not crazy about which part I use. It's more so about me pinching it so that it fits within the areas that I need it. And yeah, I just blend it in, not too hard because I don't use a lot. So I like to try to go back and forth and use excess to fill in different spots. Now, is it me? Because I was in the era of watching makeup tutorials with that sharp, clean brow. But we've been lately in an era of like this matte, kind of natural looking brow, which I don't hate it. I don't mind it at all. It's just interesting. So comment and let me know if you noticed that. Like normally people nowadays, unless they're getting like their faces beat, even like celebrities, they're wearing like this little I don't know, this little shady brow, but it's not like super sharp like how we used to have it back in the day. So that's what I was going for. I was just like, yeah, I'm just gonna blend it in as much as possible because I want it to look. Now for my foundation, I definitely use a stick. I'm a foundation like 90s type of girl, okay? My mom used a stick. I use a stick. I really don't care crazy about what type of foundation I use. I think it's awesome that Fendi has a stick if you need something full coverage. But again, you're gonna see I literally just take it in the undertones of my face and use it to help blend out my concealer so that it doesn't look so concealer-ish. Because I like that natural soft girl look. Again, this is a little basic, everyday, soft girl. Really quickly, I'm just blending in the areas where the concealer meets my foundation. Quick tease. Blending it in real good, you know, around the eyebrow. Nothing too crazy. Now, this is very important. To use minimal makeup, you have to make sure that you use very little powder. See how I just dabbed all of that powder off? I pretty much dabbed all of it off and kept showing it to you guys because you don't want cake face, you don't want ashy face, you don't want any of that. You have to use very, very little. Like, because right now when you go out, like, it's cute to take pictures with the sun beaming, but flash photos are in the wintertime. I feel like that's when you take your flash photography and you don't want ashy face. So that's how I avoid ashy face, y'all. Y'all, please ignore me. I don't know what I was doing. I was trying to entertain myself and then dancing and okay. All right. I mean, she cute or whatever. Let's get into the blush. I love the blush because it warms up my face. I do use a lot of blush. I just make sure I have like an orangish reddish tone to use for that. Let's get into these arms though. Sorry, y'all. But yeah, like I've been doing my little upper body routine. Do you see these arms? Let me know if you guys want me to do a video below of my upper body routine and how I keep myself toned. Y'all know I got a badonkadonk. Y'all gonna see that later. But I'll show y'all my little routine of how I keep myself toned and nice. Let me know if you guys want to see that below. But yeah, I'm just gonna go in with more blush. Blushing it up real quick, you know? And doing a little dance. Why not? I cannot wait to smooth down these edges because even doing the voiceover, these edges are driving me crazy. I think on the next video, I'm going to do my hair first and then I'm going to get ready because I can't take it. Girl, do your edges. Girl, lay them edges. What's wrong with you? So here, I just decided to leave the brows. That's what we're going to do. Leave them like that. And what am I doing now? Okay, y'all, so I use a little white eyeliner as a primer for eyeshadow. Here's a tip. If you don't have eyeshadow primer or you lose it, like I lose mine because I've lost mine like 3 times already, I just go to the hair store and get one of them white eyeliner sticks. And yeah, I put it on my eye and I put the eyeshadow on top and it helps it become more pigmented. So that's a little hack that I use, ladies. So if you're in a hair store and you're getting your little eyebrow pencil and you see a little white stick over there, go and grab that, girl. You might need it. You never know. You might need it. It might come in handy. So on this part, you're not going to notice much of a difference. I just use a light brownish red to do my eyeshadow because I wanted to go for something more natural. That's the point of this whole look, was for it to not consume my face because my face gets easily, I feel like, consumed by my makeup. So I like to do really natural soft looks, and that's why I used the reddish tone. I found that when I'm picking eyeshadow, the red tones do better than like just like a cocoa brown. I think it's because my skin is more of like a caramelish color, so it just blends better that way. If your skin's like mine, that might help you. So here I added this shimmery gold just to the tip of my lid, just a little bit. So shameless pug, because I was taught by the notorious Aaliyah J, y'all know my girl. I always do my mascara before putting on my lashes, so that's what you see me doing here. And of course, I nick my eye. Don't you just hate that when that happens? I literally was so frustrated because it's like I just did all of this work and now I have to clean it up. So you're going to see me cleaning it up a little bit. I just used the same little shimmer that I used on the bottom of my shadow just to cover it up just a little bit because I'm stacking lashes on top of it anyway, so it doesn't have to be perfect, but I did want to clean that up a little bit. Of course, a little highlight for the nose. If you got a little big nose like me, I try to tone mine down and I put very little highlight on it. And then something on my Cupid's bow. Okay, so I did my lashes off camera and this is what it looks like with the lashes on. Still kind of dry, so we're gonna do our lip routine. So my mom bought me a little Stila combo of lip colors, so I did some swatches for you guys. I was gonna try to do a lip combo with these, and I'm just gonna let y'all see how it turned out. This swatch I feel like was my favorite. I was getting ready to put it on my lips, see, but I'm like, let me check out the rest of these for y'all. Might as well, since I opened the pack, I might as well show you the rest of the swatches. So here's all the swatches, if it'll focus. Excuse my undone nails, y'all. It's it's giving baby hand realness. I hate it, but we're getting press-ons all 2024. Okay, so hated it. Yeah, I did not like this at all. Yeah, no. This is what I mean, y'all. Just trying to add a little dark one to see if I could tone it down. Even the dark one was just purple. It was giving dead body. I didn't like it, so I wiped it off. And I'm going to show you guys a little trick that I do if I don't like my lip combo. I always do the same thing. One thing it does do is stay on, so it doesn't come off. That's for sure. It's hard as hell to get off. So that's my review on the little Stila liquid last long lipsticks. They last long, okay? So the rest of these clips is just me trying to save it. Trying to save it. Now, this is my saving grace. Anytime I make a mistake in the lip department, I typically just go over it with this burgundy color because that's like my go-to kind of lip thing. So it always turns out super nice and I end up loving it. So yeah, that's what I decided to do. All right, so I'm gonna get ready with me. I have two outfits. I have this little stocking type thing. We're gonna see which one I want to wear. So I'm taking myself out, and this little two-piece, be hard to see. This is the top. It's the top, and this is these are the bottoms. Trying to see the bottoms. Let me back up so y'all can see the bottoms. It looks see-through, but it's not see-through. Okay. Turn these on and okay. So this is the black one, and I honestly don't know. My friend said it's supposed to fit like this. I'm not sure if I should wear it up on my shoulders like the U-neck, or if I should bring it down and wear it like a cross. Child, I don't know what to do with this. But this is what it looks like. You know, it's like the little cheetah print from the sides. Little cheetah print. There's cheetah print up here, so you can see it. I don't know how to feel about this one. Maybe it's because I need like the right shoes. I don't know. See, these are, I put it on with some Christian Louboutins, my little white heel slip-ins. And I'm trying to see if it's giving with my heels on, because I don't know how to feel about this outfit. I need a nice pair of years, and I'll be happy. I'll be satisfied if I have a nice pair of years. I'll be satisfied. That's why I'm not satisfied, y'all. But I'm taking this off. Before you go drink, always chug you a bottle of water so you don't get sloppy drunk, because that's not cute. Gross. It's not cute. Gross. It's not cute getting sloppy drunk. So chug you some water. So here I did a mini photo shoot in the car garage just to show you guys how everything came out. Thank you so much for watching. This is my first Get Ready With Me, and I hope many more for the new year. Like, subscribe if you guys enjoyed my video. Also, if you would like to see more photos, I'm going to put below my Instagram. It's at DEL.AMODE, DeLaMode. You can follow me there. And that's going to be my name on all platforms. Thank you guys so much for watching. Mwah.